Come on. Come on! Yay! Oh, two!
Hello everyone and welcome back again. So I've got some really exciting news for you today and something that I've been wanting to show you for quite some time. Well, been working on it last week and I haven't filmed any of doing it, but we're going to have a look at what we've been doing. So in some of the previous videos you might have heard me say that I was planning on building something at the side of the house, and I'll pop a little clip up of how it looked before up on the screen now, and we'll go and have a look at how it is now. Hi then guys, so this is what I've been up to, and we've got a few new additions to the channel. There's 6 chickens and a cockerel in here, so we'll go in and have a look at them, and then we'll have a look around at what we've built afterwards. So we've got 2 of these brown ones, 2 white ones, the 1 blue one, and 1 black one, and the cockerel. So keeping chickens is new to me, so I don't really know much about it. We got them all from the same place, they were all together, so we knew they'd be okay. They've been here about 3 days now, and they seem to have settled in quite nicely. Bobby absolutely loves them. So like I said, this is something that I've been planning for quite a while and working on solid for the last week. The chickens have been here for about 3 days now and have settled in quite nicely. I've spent a couple £100 on building all this, and I'll show you everything and how I've done everything now. So I already had 2 steel stanchions, one in the front, one in the back. As you can see from the outside here, there's one in the front and one over there. So I've just ran some beams into the walls. They're sunk in the walls, good 4 inches. Still need to cement round them, and hung on these edges. These 2 are hung with joist hangers, and the ends are bolted in to another timber across the back. The base, these are just pallets, so I've used 3 along the back edge and 1 on either side of the front, so 5 pallets. And then I just made a stud frame around the edges using 3x2 and 3.5 by 1.5. Then the actual hut, latch that onto the door. So this is just made using the 3x2s, made up a bit of a frame and used some plywood in there. I do want to paint the inside of this, but I'll do that in a week or 2's time once the chickens are settled. But as you can see, I need to paint under there as well. Nesting box on the side, that can be opened from the outside, and 2 perches for them to sit on. They all seem to sit on there at night, so the ladder was an old piece off an old shelving unit. Thought it'll do for temporary till I can get something new to make something, but it'll do for now. And then the door is just a piece of plywood and undo the latch. That slides up and down. I've gone around all the outside with this mesh and on the doors. I do have a roll of the 1/2 inch mesh which I'm going to go around the bottom, all on the inside, all the way around the bottom and over the doors, just to stop any rodents and stop the dogs. So that's the front. Got a big door on either end, so there's still plenty of room to get through. And they open all the way up, so there's plenty of room to walk straight through if need be. But they seem to have settled in quite nicely, and any tips, advice, tricks, suggestions, let me know in the comments. I'm open to anything. Like I say, new to me, and it's another learning curve. Hi there guys, so that's the new addition to the garden. You can also open the box from the side and just make sure they're okay. Need to sort some sort of lockout on that and get this mesh along the bottom. But after that, that's pretty much done. I'm going to be putting a piece of plywood on this wall. I'm painting that. It just ran out, so that'll get done as soon as I can order another piece of plywood. That'll get filled in. Right then guys, that's it for me today. Just wanted to introduce you to the newest members of the garden, and any tips, tricks, advice, anything like that, please let me know in the comments. It'd be really much appreciated. I'm a bit gutted that I didn't film building any of this, but sort of made it up as I went along and didn't really have any sort of plan or know exactly how I was going to be doing anything, and I've just done it in what time I had when I could. It rained through most of it, so footage wouldn't have been great anyway, but yeah, really exciting. Look forward to doing future updates on them. They'll probably be in a lot of the videos, little clips of them, whatnot, and hopefully soon we'll start getting some eggs. Right then guys, that's it for me today. If you could, please hit that subscribe button, really appreciate it, helps out the channel a great deal, and catch you on the next one. Bye for now. No eggs this morning.
Where?
No eggs.
No eggs.
No eggs today.
No eggs today. Yeah. No eggs here. The house.
The chicken house.
Chicken house. A baby's house. A baby's house.
Bertie's house, yes.